Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by getting essential permissions and hardware ready. First, plug in or enable your mic and set output to headphones. This reduces echo. Once done, open the Chatgpt app or website and sign in. Make sure microphone permission is allowed in browser or app settings. Then select the correct input device from the audio menu. This is crucial because an incorrect device will give you silence instead of voice. Now you're ready to start a voice session. Proceed to invoke voice chat. You'll now start and guide the live exchange. Tap the microphone or press the start voice control. Listen for the confirmation tone before speaking. Speak clearly in short prompts. This helps the model parse intent and reduces misrecognition. If you need to correct or expand, pause, then speak the correction. This prevents overlap. Make sure to watch input levels and adjust gain if clipping or too quiet occurs, because consistent level keeps transcription accurate and the assistant responsive. To finish, stop the voice capture and read the transcript or response summary to confirm accuracy. You can use follow-up voice prompts to refine answers, ask for step-by-step details, or request shorter summaries. This iterative approach improves results. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Toggle microphone permission off and on, then reload the app. Many audio issues clear that way. If problems persist, restart the device or switch browsers. These steps resolve most connectivity and permission.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.